So one of the top complaints I always get is, oh my God, Funmi, I don't have a laptop. How do I edit my video? I don't have a DSLR camera. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit professional looking videos on your phone from the comfort of your home. If that's something you'll be into, let's get into this video. Videos are such a powerful way to pass your message across and take your brand to the next level. It's very hard for you to pay someone with your business. That gives you so much cost if you have to pay someone every single time you have to edit your video. Because in case you're a baker like me, I edit videos of me decorating cakes. Imagine if I had to pay someone every time I'm decorating a cake to come and shoot a video and help me edit it. That's going to be cost me so much money, and in the end, I'm not going to make any profit from my business. So on today's video, I'm going to be breaking it down for you to edit your videos with your phone, a Samsung or an Apple phone or any other phone you have from the comfort of your home in case you don't have a laptop. So if that's something you'd like to see, let's get into this video. The first thing we're going to be talking about is shooting a video on your phone. Obviously, shooting a video on your phone and shooting a video on your camera are two totally different things. This is a video now that I'm shooting with my phone and still on here on my camera, double. So now I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to edit this video professionally. A softbox to light this space. This is a very good source of light. If you can see, my skin looks nice. You can hear me properly. Now let me show you a very bad way to shoot a video on your phone or any other way. This is not such an amazing way to shoot a video because you can't even see me. People are drawn by what they see. So your videos have to be clear. You have to find a good lighting source. This is not a good lighting source. Just here standing right in front of a window. So in case you don't have softboxes or any other funky gadgets to be able to get awesome videos, you can stand in front of a window. My skin is bright, everything is popping, and I'm not using a softbox or a ring light. Our first tip, find a window or direct sunlight. The next thing we're going to do is press record. Now, when you shoot a video, you always have to have a plan. Have a script. This is my script. I always have a script for my videos. So have a script so that you're not rumbling, to be able to give you directions on what you're going to say, when you're going to say it, and how you're going to say it. This will make your video editing easier for you and faster. Now we're going to go into and edit these videos that we have shot, and I'm going to edit it with my Samsung phone and with my iPhone. Let's go. Let's get into the phone. So I usually edit my videos for YouTube on Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like a more in-depth video on how I do that, please leave it in the comment section below. So editing our videos today, we're going to be using this wonderful app I just found out, which is called Filmora Go. It's a free app that's available on Android and iOS, and is also available for your laptop. So you can download it online for free and edit your videos with it. It's a great app, very easy to use, very easy to navigate. Please leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what you use currently to edit your videos. So the first step we're going to do, we're going to open our app, and after opening the app, we're going to click select new video. Now after clicking select new video, we're going to open one of the videos that were previously recorded on my phone, and I'm going to merge a couple of them just to show you how we can achieve that. And then we're going to add a couple of transitions and sounds for this video. Less for me now. So most of these videos are just vlogs I edited for my other channel, but I'm going to be showing you how I edit them for the purpose of this video. So the first thing we're going to click on this app is Trim Clip. Trim Clip is going to help us clip our videos, cut out every unnecessary scene and unnecessary clips out of the video. After trimming, we're going to assume our video is ready, and so we're going to work on what the video looks like. And to do that, we're going to increase the brightness just a little bit, increase the contrast, saturation, a little bit of saturation, and then sharpness. Sharpness is very important to help your video look crisp and nice. And after that, we're going to add a couple of voiceovers. That's if you want to add voiceovers to your video. An example of a voiceover is what I'm doing now. This is a recorded voiceover that I'm putting over this video to explain what it's going to be about. So we can record a couple of voiceovers for our video and trim off that door because I don't like the door there. The reason why I like this app, we can make it faster, we can reduce the speed. And so after that, after increasing the speed or reducing the speed, now we're going to do what? We're going to add our transition. Transition is a way to help one clip move seamlessly into the next clip without it being awkward. So we're going to add a couple of transitions to this video. After we're done adding transitions, we're going to be adding our sounds, and after adding sounds, we're done with this video on our Samsung. Editing this video on my Samsung device, and now we're going to move on into doing the same thing on my iOS device, which is my iPhone 11. So while editing it, we're just going to do the same steps on my iPhone 11. It's the same steps to edit it. It's just that the iPhone has a little bit more features than the Android. In the end, we're still going to achieve almost similar results. So we're going to do the same thing again, trim clips. After trimming the clips, edit our visuals, that's brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, don't forget sharpness. And after that, we're going to be moving to saving our videos. Now, after saving our videos, the next thing we can do is we're going to be uploading it. Now, to upload it on our phones, after saving the video on your phone, you just open your YouTube or YouTube Studio and click on the video icon at the top right corner of your YouTube app. When you click on it, it's going to show you different options. We're going to click on video and upload. And next, so we're going to click on it. After doing that, we're going to find the video and select it. Obviously, on YouTube, we can also still trim or add a little visual effect, but I will not really advise it because if your internet is not that fast, it's really hard to control it. So after doing that, we're going to click on upload. I hope this video has been so helpful to you and I've been able to break it down and make it easy for you to be able to go on. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe. Please leave it in the comments section below. Let me know your challenges. What challenges are you having? What problems are you having that you would like us to address on this channel? Please leave it in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.